how to add bio in LinkedIn, and how to add link in bio in LinkedIn. Once you're in your LinkedIn, go to your profile by clicking here and then clicking View Profile. Next, click on Add Section and then Add About. Here, write your bio. Write about yourself and your qualifications in a way that describes you. After that, click Save. To add a link to your account, click here, scroll down, click on Edit Contact Info, and scroll down. Click on Add Website. Add your website link in the website URL field. Also, select website type. You can add another link if you wish by repeating the process. After that, click Save. It will appear directly in your account. If you're interested in getting a professional headshot without a photographer, or want to tailor your resume to any job description, check the links in the description to get started.